Ma'am, I forgot the topic of yesterday.
What was the topic? Anyone remembers?
Yes, ma'am, I remember the topic.
What was the topic?
Backbencher versus frontbencher.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Sanvi.
Welcome.
Sanvi, go first. Backbencher
Yes,
or
ma'am.
frontbencher?
My turn.
Yes.
Okay. ma'am.
I can see you, but we can't hear you because you have muted yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible right now?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So the topic, yeah, backbenchers versus the dashbencher. Actually, I have written, so that's why I'm telling you. So yeah, so backbencher or frontbenchers. As we all know that the student life in the classroom, the few students are very intelligent and some mature, and they sit in the front benches and carefully listen to the teachers that what are they saying and behave in the class very well and take good marks in all the teacher subjects. So they are normally called the front benchers actually, and the back bencher are those means the opposite, that they misbehave in the class. They occupy back benches and do not listen to the teacher carefully, and they are talkative actually. They crack jokes, trouble the teacher, bunk classes, and not good at the studies also, and they do not study hard but believe more in enjoying, and they are called backbenchers. If I give an example of mine only, that I am also a backbencher, but I'm not that kind of backbencher that who loves to enjoy and love to play and could not listen to the teacher. So here only one question put up, that are good means the backbenchers are good or not. So from my side, that the backbenchers are good means they are likely to get more attention from the teachers and the classmates also, and the random people enter the class. As you can take an example, that when they are studying, the principal also came in the come in the class to check the what the teacher is started the topic or something else, or any of the student came that, ma'am, can I take this notebook from the drawer, or I can take the chalk, etc., like that. And then the front bencher, for not any obvious reason, I don't know why, the last bench view is always perfect, and sitting on the last bench gives you the best way of viewing the entire classroom with the teachers also. And the backbenchers are really awesome, like me. You can take example of mine, that I'm also a backbencher only, but I was very good in studies actually, and they are not just involved in the classroom activities but everything. They could be during the time for, you can say, eating also, sleeping also, drawing also, texting, or not texting would come, like talking to somebody, as you can come. You can take example that my sister's friend was the backbencher, and every teacher say that the backbencher are bad and bad, but she proved that the backbenchers are not that much bad. So she studied and studied, and when the final paper come, she topped in the class, and she told that, ma'am, the backbenchers are not like that. Every benches are good. Is it a middle or the good or the back only? So I think everyone is good. Front row, yeah, back row, or yeah, the middle one. I think everyone is good.
Utpal, again, you are writing something in the chat.
Ma'am, I have said sorry in the chat too.
After writing, is telling sorry.
Ma'am, first of all, Achintya typed. I was going to type, but when my chance came, I was going to ask you, can I type something? But Achintya typed for me.
Okay. Aditya? Aditya Pratap? Hello, Aditya Pratap?
After so many classes, he came today.
Yes, Aditya came. Aditya? Please unmute yourself. Hello, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Who is better, the backbencher or the front benchers?
Okay, see, it depends on the people, because many a times I have also sitting in the back benches, means during the free periods or in some periods also. And many a times we had rotation of the benches, that in each week or a day we will rotate so everyone gets chances. So everyone can get chance to sit on the first bench. Okay. And it depend on the teachers also, that if you are identified in front of the teacher that you are a good child, then she is good with you, but she can be bad with you. Because I'm a good child at my school, and I usually used to sit at the first or second bench, but sometimes teacher used to make me sit at the last bench for a day. And once one of my teacher came, and we used to have a
Aditya, you muted yourself.
Mom, can I say something?
Let him complete.
okay, so we have a type of minus marking, that if you haven't completed your work, so -5, and if you are shouting, then -20. It is not included in exams, but it is given in diary. And as you reach -100, you will get suspension for a week. So nobody wants some teacher used to make me sit at the last bench. And once a teacher came, me and my benchmate were just completing a maths homework, as next period we had our maths class. And we were not talking, we were just silently sitting and completing our maths homework. And the first benches were some talkative person, and they were continuously talking. But teacher suddenly called us and took our diary. Then we told that teacher we were not talking. So she told that, okay, if next time we will talk, I will do minus marks. Means many teachers have a mentality that last benches are very talkative or they are very naughty, they will do any naughty stuff. So teachers do like that.
Okay. Yes,
And
Sanvi. Do you want to say something, Aditya?
no, that only I was telling of back benches, and most of the front benches are very good. Means very good to teachers. Teacher
They're
feel
good to
that they are
teachers or
very
they're good
great.
to other people also?
I think they are more good to teachers.
Not with the friends.
No, they are good with friends, but very frank to them. They are not like, okay, I will talk to him respectfully and to him frankly. No, they are very frank to all. But for teachers, they are very good. The front benches, any one of, if a talkative person is also sitting, the teacher will think, okay, he's a good person. That's why he's sitting at the first bench.
Okay. Yes, Sanvi, what do you want to tell? You wanted to say something. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
you wanted to say something.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to say something that in many of the schools, actually, the rotation is also going now. So we can't differentiate that that person is a good bencher. Sorry, backbencher or the front bencher. In my school, only the rotation is going that the front bencher will come to the this and this will come to the this. And I will tell that I am a backbencher. Mostly I can come to the first, but I'm mostly in the backbench only. I like the backbench more actually.
Yes, Utpal,
Yes, ma'am.
your turn.
So, ma'am, as Sanvi said, that rotation system is going on in some schools. So in my school too, rotation system is going on. So it's not like a rotation system. There is a list, and sometimes teacher take random roll numbers. And ma'am, I want to add another thing, that in my class, two classes are merged. Like if section A and section B, they both are merged and they are like section A or section B. In each class there are 30 students, so in total 60 students, and the benches are 30, and in each bench there are 30 in each bench there are two seats for each, seats for two students. So our teacher takes a slip and or what to say, a paper, and there are some boxes, and the boxes represent the benches, and in the boxes they write the roll number. And if suppose my roll number is 2 and your roll number is 3, and 2 and 3 roll number are in one bench. So we have to sit on a bench, and after 1 month, the monitor and the bench sitting place will be changed. So ma'am, this is, so I don't prefer in any, not in the neither in the front bencher and not in the back bencher, and not in the uh, middle benchers too. I believe that all are good. It is the mentality of every student and teacher that all are bad.
Not, no teacher thinks that they all are bad or all are good.
No. It is like they say that bad backbenchers are bad. So it is in every teacher's mind that they are bad. I'm not blaming the teachers, but due to their behavior.
Because the student who are sitting at the back, they are making noise because they think teacher is not seeing them, and they start talking to each other.
No, ma'am,
Yes,
if the backbenchers have to make some noise, they just put their head down and then they talk.
Yes. This is like they make a sound of the cap, tuck, 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 tuck. I've heard that sound. Student making tuck,
like
tuck.
this.
Yes. And they bang the desk, tuck, 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 tuck. And if the teacher turns back, who has done this? Nobody said, no, हमने तो किया ही नहीं. And teachers know that it is the last benchers who are doing it. Achintya,
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your video.
Ma'am, today my electricity is not there.
Okay, yes. Okay. Front bencher or back bencher? Where do you sit?
I mostly sit on backbench.
Why are they?
See, this is the society thinking of backbencher and frontbencher. Like everyone told, like backbenchers are bad, they make noise, and frontbenchers are good. So this is the society thinking. I also sit in backbench only, and when the first day of class starts, I will be like this. तुम लोग को जो लेना ले लो, हमको भाई backbench छोड़ देना. And in every class, our bench, like in our rule from 8th class, no rotation will be there. And I am backbencher, not that type of backbencher that who talks, who murmurs or mumblings or gossips, talkative. I don't like that backbencher. I am a front bencher being a backbencher. You can say that. Like I score good marks also, and I have seen that when the teacher's head is down, and when when he's standing in the middle of the class, so like when he do his head up, so the first sight goes on the backbencher only. So I want to be the inside of the teacher. So, and like what to tell, around me all are really backbenchers that talks, gossips, and they tell me that Achintya, come join us. So I always ignore them. I talk in them recess or some break, like that. So yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you sat on the front bench? Achintya?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Have
you are audible.
Okay.
So
Yes.
in our class, one student is there, Sagnik, who is my best friend also. So he got many like what to tell. I don't know. He got many scolding from every teacher because he does like whoever like at the starting of 7th class he was so naughty, and you will not believe that like can I say in Hindi?
Okay.
So like कोई भी कुछ करता है blame साग्निक पे ही जाता था. So
Okay.
I
Anybody
don't
does
know.
anything, he's only blamed.
I can tell, but I will take time. So time is not there also, and
Okay.
electricity is also gone. My light is only there.
Okay.
So wait, let me turn on my light and switch on my video. Wait. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm
Comfortable.
visible.
Yes.
So like my Sagnik is like that only. And whenever he tells that, ma'am, I have not done. So everyone call it as a backbencher. And he challenged the whole class that being a backbencher, I will top the first. And you will not believe that in 7th class, he didn't top first in the class. He topped in the whole, like
Excellent.
DNS is a branch, and I study in DNS CTPS. So many branch are there, DNS Boli, DNS blah blah blah. So he stood first in every DNS, and his percentage was 98.9%. And the teachers were also like, their eyes are open.
Like this. How did he manage?
Yes, he bet me also. So that's all, ma'am. And he was really naughty, and suddenly his behavior changed a lot. He didn't eat tiffin also, he always study. So that's why he got an award also in Achievers Night. That's one.
Have you ever bunked your class? Yes.
No, ma'am, never and never.
Never.
I can't do this only. No one in our school can do this.
Okay.
So it's like that bunking period is only one, that is 0 period. And 0 period is something that if you if you want to prepare for Teachers' Day celebration, then you have to get an extra time, no? That a period. So it's called 0 period, and in that period, all used to bunk here and there. They make excuse that I am also participating in Teachers' Day. And that's also now whole school is covered with CCTV, and fine will be there. Fine will be taken up suddenly. And the whole eye is on CCTV of principal sir. Principal sir eyes are always on CCTV in 0 period. I have gone to principal office in 0 period regarding a complaint. Miss told me that take this boy to principal sir. So I gone, his eyes were just like on CCTV, full TV. And and one child was also bunking. I was grateful that I got that opportunity to see. So he really called that uncle. There is always to be an uncle in front of principal office. So he called that and told the exact location, that 2nd floor, this corridor in front of biology lab. He's roaming around. I moved on the stairs, so immediately we caught him. But that time I have to go to the class also, so I went. So I think he will be fined only.
Once I took my student to principal's office and I showed them कि देखो कैसे दिखता है CCTV camera पे. And from the next day, everyone was sitting on their chair and nobody was moving. अरे भाई घूमोगे तो principal निकाल देंगे स्कूल से.
Nice.
The students were only of UKG and they are so much scared कि I told them the principal sir will throw you out of the school if you are found here and there roaming.
Okay.
Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you bunk your classes?
Ma'am, our voice is breaking. Can you speak louder, actually?
Have you ever bunked your class?
Yes, ma'am. I have bunked 3 classes. Online or offline?
Offline.
Miss, I have bunked online class.
Online classes, everyone bunks. I'm talking about offline
It's
classes.
not
so
an
I have bunked
I-
classes offline.
Yes.
And reason? Reason also tell.
Yes. Reason and where did you go?
Okay, so the first class was my yoga class. So the reason was I am having a stomach ache, and the teacher was okay. Means I was a very regular child in the yoga class, but on that time we have means I have a dare actually that you have to tell ma'am that I have a stomach ache and you will not attend the yoga class. So the ma'am say okay you can go. So I go to the infirmary room and sleep for 1 hour actually. And yeah, so the first order there. Thank you so much. So the second, I bunked the maths class because the four means me, my two best friends, and my brother only, my cousin brother, and one my relative, no, not my relative. Oh yeah, my relative sons was also studying in that school only. So we planned the party in the ground actually. So we four go and tell to ma'am that ma'am we have to go to the washroom, and the ma'am seriously asked that you four want to go to the washroom.
Together.
So together. So like no ma'am. So we said that professional banker that we said that ma'am we do have to go to the principal ma'am. Actually my cousin brother only have a birthday, so we thought that make an excuse for giving us the party. Then we three go to the principal ma'am, and these two girls go to the washroom. So we come jaldi आके हम ground में मिले, and then we have a party for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we back to the class, and then I'm say you bunk the class. Then I'm say yes, we bunked the class, and I'm say okay, well done, sit down. और मैम ने कुछ बोला नहीं क्योंकि हम लोग मैम के क्लास में बहुत रेगुलर थे. और उसके बाद से लास्ट क्लास थी जो किसी को ये पसंद नहीं आ रही थी, द डेंजरस क्लास, द फ्रेंड्स क्लास एक्चुअली. तो फ्रेंड्स क्लास पूरी सेक्शन ने बंक की थी, और मैम वाज एब्सेंट एक्चुअली, और हमें पता भी नहीं था कि मैम एब्सेंट थी. तो हम लोग सारे लोग डांस क्लास में चले गए थे, आधे डांस में आधे म्यूजिक में एंड आधे ट्रूथ एंड डेयर में. तो मैं आई वाज इन ट्रूथ एंड डेयर, मी माय ब्रदर एंड माय 6 फ्रेंड्स वर देयर. So we were playing truth and dare. That's it. I have bunked 3 classes.
Okay. Aditya,
Miss, can I add something?
after Aditya, okay? Achintya? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
have you ever bunked your class?
No, I have never bunked my class, but there was an incident. Means I think some improper chemicals were mixed in the chemistry lab, and there was a small blast in that, a very tiny one. But all the teachers had met up for a meeting regarding the tiny blast in the chemistry lab. And at that time I was in standard 5, and we used to play cricket with a paper ball, and the bat was used to be our books. So we used to take one of our friends' books, and it was the recess time, and we were playing. Our recess was used to be for 45 minutes. We had a tiffin, we kept it in our bag, and we started playing. And slowly and gradually the ground was cleared, but the bell was not ringing. So we went to the means we were going to the class. So the gatekeeper said no, the recess has been extended. So we again started playing. After 15 minutes we again went, means tried to go to the corridors and go to our classes, but the gatekeeper again stopped this. Then again we played 15 minutes. Then we were tensed to how the recess can be extended for 1.5 hours. Then means that time we used to have separate assemblies for the juniors and seniors. So we went to the corridors through the senior assembly. There was a way, and suddenly our PT sir caught us, and he told, why are you bugging the class? Come and, means they were taking some boys they were some bhaiyas, and they were supposed to go to the principal ma'am office for bunking the classes. So the PT sir was taking those bhaiyas to the principal ma'am room. So some of my friends escaped, and I didn't notice them that they are escaping. And after that I saw that they are escaping, and then when I tried to go, one of the, means I can mean there was a cleaner uncle. He told that you have to go to principal ma'am room. Why are you going to the stairs? So I told him some of my friends have gone upstairs, so I'm going to call them. And by telling that, I just went to the class.
Escaped. You were saved.
Miss, can I add?
Yes, Achintya, now you can add.
So I have bunked class for about 5 to 10 minutes. like for making excuse of refilling the bottle, that we don't tell that pani bharne jana hai.
Yeah, that's what everyone does. That is not
So
bunking.
that only I did at first time. I didn't know for bunking the meaning also. I did it in third standard. My friend that I don't know the meaning of bunking also. So I realize now that I bunked one time. So
Okay.
and we fulfilled our bottle and then we were roaming in the corridors. Then I realized no, I'm missing my period. So I have to go. And you will listen my incident of the school.
Yes.
So in our school, like very big corridor is there. In one corridor, 2 to 3 classes with section can be adjusted. And like when we want to see that our teacher is coming or not, so like I don't do this. My like classmates do. So they like throw their bottle in the corridor
Yes.
and they tell the monitor, भाई गए मेरा बॉटल चला गया है हमको देखने दो. तो वो then they go in the corridor and see here and there and then return. Okay, I got it. So then like they started playing, and then when they realize now the time is coming, so now so they again throw the pencil box now, because if they will throw the water bottle, then they will have doubt on us that they are doing something, so they throw the pencil box. So they told the class monitor, "Bhai tum hi la do na is bar." So he was not allowing them, so they told that, "Bhai tum hi la do na is bar." So when he went outside, all children that now teacher came, so we saw that now also didn't came. So now like the boy monitor turn was over. Now girl monitor will come. So our school is like this only, that turn by turn chances are there. So we can't do anything with girls. So they are very sensitive. They will suddenly complain to miss. And boys are like छोड़ देते हैं थोड़ा इस बार छोड़ देते हैं चलो. They are our friends no, and girls monitor will like they will be like छोड़ देंगे girls को. They will not raham on boys.
Okay.
They,
Aditya.
so we can't do anything. So we just sit like, and when the girl monitor, like she was suddenly called up for the collection of copies. So like when the boy character, I'm telling you, no, boy monitor has come, and then we were shouting. So then again that now he realized that we are doing something, then he has showed out, but he didn't complain because he's our friend only. So that's all, ma'am. So they again threw, and they were like, now I'm laughing because they threw and they saw Mrs. just when they looked down to put their head down to take the box, then they saw above the Avat sir was standing ahead. And like he told the same thing, what you are doing, bacha? He told the same thing. So yeah, he told an actual excuse that my pencil box was fallen. So I was just picking up. So he was like what forgiven. That's all, ma'am. We like use this technique only, that bottle फेंक दो, class ये what
Through your pencil
box
box.
फेंक दो, हाँ यही सब.
Okay. Okay. Last in 1 minute. Utpal, have you ever bunked your class?
Ma'am, one time like Achintya bought like filling water bottles.
Means I know that Utpal will bunk the class.
Hey,
I know it.
it is not bunking. So I took
Water
more than
bottle
50.
is not a bunking request actually.
Yes,
For 5
it's not
minutes
a
to take it,
bunking.
it's not bunking actually. Bunking basically means about a 30 or a 1 hour basically. As जो मैंने किया था 30 minutes का जो मैंने bunk किया था yoga class में, that is called the bunk actually.
Okay, Utpal, then you went for filling your bottle then?
Ma'am, not my bottle. I took there was I didn't place the bottle under the 3 caps of the water filter, and I just put one bottle under the and it were too many that first I took 3. Ma'am said that ma'am, by this
Excuse me,
Yes. What
ma'am,
happened?
not you. Ma'am, not you. He said that he can carry 20 more than bottles, and I can carry only 5 to 7 bottles in my hand. And how you can carry 20 bottles? Are any
no,
magic trick?
it was not filled, it was fully empty.
Ah,
So
that I know.
That anyone can carry 20 bottles.
That can I carry, but after the filled bottle, how can you carry these body?
I said I took 3 bottles.
Okay, okay, हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow,